Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We want to find the overall efficiency for the pump. We have a power rating of 6 kilowatts. The pressure difference from inlet to outlet is 112 kPa. The volume flow rate is 19 liters per second. The answer is C, 67%. So we can skip step 1, there is no free body diagram. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. So we've got V dot, volume flow rate, 19 liters per second. We've got the power rating, which is 6 kilowatts. The pressure difference, which is 212 kPa, and we want to find the overall efficiency. Step 3, find the efficiency formula. So it's the mechanical energy divided by the electrical energy. Step 4, we need to find the mechanical energy formula. So that's the volume flow rate multiplied by the pressure difference. Step 5, we find the mechanical energy. So first we need to convert the volume flow rate from liters per second to meters cubed per second. So we need to divide 19 by 1000. And that'll be 0.019 meters cubed per second multiplied by 212 kPa. That will give us 4.028 kilowatts. So step 6, we can now backtrack and find the overall efficiency. So 4.028 kilowatts divided by 6 kilowatts gives us 0.67. So that's 67% overall efficiency. Disclaimers, the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube. Let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.